7 ways your body language can make you more successful. Body language is what gets you noticed or left by the wayside. A person who shows they are competent and confident will stand out in every interaction, while the one who is meek and self-effacing is likely to never be noticed at all. How then do you use body language to get yourself noticed in all the right ways? Remember, you're Superman. If you think of pictures you've seen of the comic book hero Superman, you'll likely picture someone standing firmly on 2 feet, hands on hips, shoulders back, and head up, every inch the hero. There is nothing in his posture to imply he's not confident and perfectly capable of whatever is thrown his way. Studies prove that standing in the superhero pose for a few minutes before a meeting or discussion you aren't feeling confident about will change your whole demeanor during the interaction. Where's that smile? Things not going well? Try smiling. No fake grin allowed, though. Instead, find a happy thought and pull out a genuine smile. It will immediately shift your brain chemistry and put you on a more even keel. Better than that, it'll likely pull up a smile from your audience as well. Play all the angles. When confrontation brews, it's time to diffuse the situation. Rather than step back, shift sideways. Oddly enough, a 45-degree angle has the strange effect of calming people down, mostly because standing fully facing someone can feel aggressive, and turning away gives the wrong message. Go for the charisma points. Talk with your hands, a lot. Using expansive gestures while talking makes you more approachable and engaging, and wins more support than someone who is stiff and awkward. Break down their resistance. Talking to someone who is so closed off, they've got their arms crossed tight against their chest? Break their pose. Offer them something, a business card or a bottle of water. Make them shift their position to take it, and they'll shift their attitude toward one more favorable to you. Where's all that energy? Lagging a little? It's time to dial things up a notch. Focus on a time when you felt high energy and ready to take on the world. Now channel your energy and bring it to the conversation. Watch the magic happen. Don't look away, mostly. In the course of conversation, it's nearly impossible to maintain eye contact while thinking. With this in mind, maintain your eye contact until the point where you need to consider your words. It's okay to drop your eyes to consider the matter, so long as you regain eye contact before you begin your answer. By paying attention to your body language, life will begin to change for the better. This is the cornerstone of the success waiting for you in your work and personal life. You really can be everything you've always dreamed you could be.